Greetings, guys. You're welcome back to my video on MTN Fiber X. So today I want to show you how to change your username or your password to the MTN Fiber X. Okay. So in my previous video I showed you how or my review on MTN Fiber X after using it for more than 4 months. Okay, I reviewed what my experience is so far, how the thing works, how it was mounted. I showed the video about everything, even the pole where it was mounted on, and also the cable that's connected to my place, to my home. So in today's video, I want to show you how to log in. If you have not watched the other video, you can just go to my channel and then you will see it there, okay, about MTN Fiber X. So let me show you how to log into your MTN Fiber X or change your password. In case maybe there's somebody that you gave the password before that doesn't want to pay anymore, you can just disconnect the person by changing your password, okay? So that is what I want to show you now on this video. So let's get started. So if you are seeing my screen, you observe that I'm currently logged into the website of ZTE model of MTN Fiber X. So looking up on the search bar, you see the address code there, 192.168.1.1. So that's the address you have to type in. And then you log it in using your Chrome browser or any browser that can work for it, okay? So once you're logged in, this is the page that you're gonna see. Then the next thing to do is to sign in, okay? I've already saved the login details here, so admin and then that. I will just click on login here. So for the password, I will be dropping it to avoid going against YouTube policy on that. Okay, I will be dropping the username and the password because it is not something that is hidden, okay? Because you and I cannot be connected with the same network. Maybe you are in Kano State or Kaduna or Abuja or Port Harcourt. I am in Oka, and then this network is only available. It can only be connected to within my range, within my area. So the password is not something to hide away from anybody. But for the sake of YouTube, to avoid going against YouTube policies and violations, I'll be dropping that on the comments section because to review such details is not allowed. Okay, so know that today in case you don't know. So this is the page I will see. You can see some devices that are currently connected to this Fiber X network because in my compound, like I said, and like I narrated in my previous video, we are many of us who are sharing this. So you can see these are some of them that are currently connected. My computer is not even listed here, but my computer is connected. My Samsung S22 is connected. My Samsung A06 is connected. Okay, so these are my neighbors. Okay, so you can see that. So now change your password, navigate to the local network by the top here. You can actually do this with your smartphone. Okay, I decided to use a computer so that you can see things clearly. If I use my smartphone, things may be very tiny. Okay, things written here may be very tiny for people who cannot preview very well. All right, so we go to local network here, and then by the left hand side, left menu, you see the WLAN. This WLAN. Click on it, and then you scroll down to the WLAN SSID configuration. You drop it down, click on the arrow to drop it down. Okay, it will be very tiny with your phone if you're doing this with your phone. Okay, just be careful on what you're clicking on. Then here you see the SSID name. You can actually change this name in case you want to name it. Maybe you want to change this to your name. I can decide to change this to scanimat.com. Okay, so anybody that is seeing my Wi-Fi connected can see, okay, this is actually a website. The person can decide to go and visit the website to see what I have there, and then if it interests the person can get it. But no, I can decide to leave it at just animat or anything, or just neighbors and anything that you want to, you can just name it. You're already familiar with all this stuff. Okay, then the password is here. This is where to change the password, but I'll not be revealing this like I told you. Even if I reveal this, nothing will still happen. Okay, nothing will still happen because you can't use it if you are in Abuja, or even if you are in Anambra State, that I am. You can't also use it because you have to be connected to this MTN Fiber X, this particular one that I'm using, before you can access this page. Okay, so remember, you must be connected to your MTN Fiber X before you can access this website that I just visited now. Okay, you can't be connected to your Airtel network or your Etisalat 9 mobile network or Glow network, and then you want to access this place. No, you cannot. You cannot also be connected to your MTN mobile data, and then you want to connect to this. No, you cannot. You have to be connected to your MTN Wi-Fi, your MTN Fiber X, before you can connect to this. All right, so here you can change the password to anything. So once you are done, you now click on apply, and then the change will be applied. All right, then coming down as well, remember MTN has this MTN Fiber X, it has about two network. I don't know how to call it, but you can see this 2.4 gigahertz. It also has 5 gigahertz. All right. So after changing for the 2.4, also come down and then you change for the 5 gigahertz here. All right. So if you click on it, it will drop down and then you make the changes that you want to make. All right. So you can see this is the network. You can also change the name because once you are connected to your MTN Fiber X, the two of them will also be connected. Okay. So you can now like choose the one to connect to. Two of them will appear on your network list. It is now left to you to now decide on the one to connect to. Okay, normally if you are within range of where your fiber X is installed, the 5G network should be connected so that it can be more faster and But once you are leaving your area, you observe if you're observant enough, you see the 5G will be dropped, while the 2G will now pick up. So 2G will now help you. The 2.4 gigahertz will now help you to be connected even while you are far away from where your network is, from where the fiber X is installed. Okay, so that is the only thing I have noticed. I don't know any other information about the 2.4 or 5G or 5G has. Okay, so but the only thing I have observed so far is if you are if you are leaving your area, the 5G will be disconnected and then 2.4 will pick up until at a particular point everything will now be disconnected. Okay, so if you have not watched my video, I explained about how we are subscribing hours even though we are four in the compound and it is still getting to all of us. So go to my video, my previous video, and then you watch that. So this is just it on how to change your network, how to change your network password or username on MTN Fiber X. So if this video helped you to learn anything, just give me a like. If you have any question to ask, or if you have any more thing to ask to this, you can also ask. Okay, you can also ask it on the comment section. If you want me to review or to make a video on how to do anything about the MTN Fiber S or any network at all, you can also drop it on the comment section, and I will also make the video on that for you. All right, so that is it for that. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if this is your first time coming here. I remain your guy, standing back, and I will appreciate to also see you watch my other video that I will make surrounding the internet, network connections, and everything about the internet. Thank you, and I will see you when I see you. Bye bye.